how everything is positioned in the market, this is where you can decide to pull the position off. So consumer confidence came out, and there really wasn't much of a difference. Came out basically as expected, so there just wasn't a big deviation. New home sales came out. There were some revisions from the prior month, but again, it was coming out just about as expected. And so here you can see really nothing's going on. Right, this is still right about the same place where we started. If you remember, when I entered the position, it was down about 7 pips, and it's still down about 7 pips. So you can see that really there's nothing to be said about what's going on in the news. Let me expand this window down. So new home sales came in at 915. The forecast was at 925, so it came in just a little bit lower, but nonetheless right about expectations. Prior was 981. That was revised down a little bit. Here's the confidence board, 103.9 versus the expectation of 105. So, there just wasn't that much of a deviation, but you can see that now there's a little bit more of a separation going on. The euro is going down, the Swiss is going up a little bit. So, again, this is where if you're trading manually and you see that there's just not a lot of deviation, by all means you can pull the positions off. You can pull one side off if you're biased more. So, for example, if you see that the numbers are really sort of bullish for the U.S. dollar, then of course you can exit the Swiss position that you're short and keep the euro position on. But really, I think the main lesson here is when there's not a very big deviation, it takes some time for the market to decide what they want to do with this. So we're, let's see, it's about 4 minutes after the report, and you can see that now we're starting to get some action. The Swiss, here is starting to move up, the euro starting to move down as the market digests what's going on. And just to show you here, I'll bring in, here's the British pound on the 15-minute. So you can see that the British pound is moving down, as is the euro. So we're seeing, everything is basically normal there. Let me turn down my news feed in the background. So